Welcome to the 3-Minute Travel Channel. Our channel aims to deliver the charm of travel in a short amount of time. Let's embark on fun and exciting journeys together. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our fascinating journey through ancient Egypt, where we'll unravel the secrets of pharaohs and their mummification process. Imagine yourself transported back thousands of years, to a time when pyramids soared towards the sky. Now, let me introduce you to the extraordinary art of mummification. The ancient Egyptians believed that preserving the body was vital for the pharaoh's journey into the afterlife. Our first stop is the embalmer's workshop. Here, skilled craftsmen, dressed in linen kilts, would gather the necessary tools. Step 1. Let's head to the sacred Nile River, where our guides will demonstrate the essential act of cleansing. The pharaoh's body would be carefully washed with aromatic oils, ensuring purity before the process continued. Step 2. Hold your breath as we approach the embalmer's table, where the real magic began. Organs, except for the heart, were removed. But don't worry, they'll be placed in special jars, known as canopic jars, to accompany the pharaoh in the afterlife. Step 3. Time for some dry humor, because we're off to the dehydrating room. Here, our pharaoh would rest on a bed of natron, a salt mixture that absorbed moisture, drying out the body. It's like a spa day, but with a twist. Step 4. Now, let's enter the bandaging chamber. Picture skilled embalmers wrapping the pharaoh's body in linen bandages, layer upon layer, creating an intricate cocoon. It's like wrapping a giant mummy burrito. Finally, our journey concludes in the burial chamber, where the mummified pharaoh is ready for eternal rest. The process may seem bizarre to us, but to the ancient Egyptians, it was a sacred ritual, ensuring the pharaoh's immortality. So, my dear adventurers, as we bid farewell to ancient Egypt, we can't help but marvel at their ingenuity and reverence for their pharaohs. Let's cherish this knowledge and pass it on to future generations. Thank you for joining me on this fun-filled mummification tour. Thank you.